Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cuphead in Roblox. This fan-made experience brings the classic run-and-gun action to the Roblox platform. To begin, simply open Roblox and search for Cuphead or Cuphead Obby in the Games section. Once you join, you will use your keyboard for movement and your mouse for aiming and firing. It is a fun way to enjoy the challenging gameplay in a new environment. Understanding the core mechanics is key to success. Your character moves with the WASD keys, allowing you to run and jump through various stages. To attack, simply press the left mouse button to unleash your weapon's projectiles. A crucial defensive maneuver is the dash, activated by pressing the Shift key, which lets you quickly evade incoming attacks. Mastering these basic actions will significantly improve your chances of victory. Boss battles are the heart of the Cuphead experience, demanding precision and quick reflexes. Each boss has unique attack patterns you must learn to anticipate. Focus on dodging incoming projectiles and parrying pink objects by jumping and pressing the jump button again. Collecting power-ups that appear can give you a temporary advantage, boosting your damage or providing extra health. Patience and persistence are vital for overcoming these challenging encounters. To truly master Cuphead in Roblox, focus on refining your skills. The parry mechanic is incredibly powerful. Jump into pink objects and press jump again to gain extra height and build your super meter. Always collect coins hidden throughout levels, as these allow you to buy new weapons and charms from the shop. Experiment with different loadouts to find what works best for your individual playstyle and conquer every challenge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.